Nipa asetere mu nsɛm ɛdɔɔso ebi yɛ nigye na ebi ɛyɛ awerɛhow. Nea ɛyɛ nigye no yɛkae de nanso ne nkae ne yɛ kakra bi na nea ɛyɛ awerɛhow no ɛne yɛntena kyɛ na ɛtɔ da bi a ɛdi enya ɛma nneɛma yɛhwɛ sɛ ɛbɛtumi ayɛ no mpo ne yɛntumi nyɛ. Ne saa yɛ mu no ɛna Okoman radio 97.1 ɛde dwumadi a yɛato din ɛne da so bere ɛde rebrɛw fi Joda kosi fida anɔpa biara fi nonum ɛkosi mmra nonum abɔ apawo sima aduonum yɛn a yɛbɛdi saa dwumadi mu kyia me ɛne me ɔsɔfo John Kwachi me ne me nua ɔsɔfo Nathaniel Kingsley NT mɛsrɛ sɛ yɛaso ne tie saa dwumadi Onyankopɔn nam so ɛbɛma wɔyɛ nkonimdifo Onyankopɔn nhyira amen.
Your full good party radio station. Okoman Radio 97.1. We bring on the best.
Are you ready?
I don't talk about officiating because I know nothing about their officiating. I don't talk about officiating because I know nothing about their officiating.
Are you ready?
My favorite position party game certificate. Oh, the members and I'm not one quite. The chance you push a 7 striker. Now 7 and 9 channel. 11 meter 111 as a 106. And Papa a time match and so time ball me boy. I'm starting the first match. Oh, no, the gas and I'm say, Mijina 7 within 10 minutes. Cement man Shugua. I say, I want to more fast. As you continue for okay, sign. Now it's Tempana Park and say 11. Within 15 minutes, you go and buy. I say, the gas is
starting Friday. Now, we have a league in a corner. Untuning postpone matches. It even affects the flow and the rhythm and the bars. Now, league competition or Agadano. Fortunately for us, the Black Stars game is in the night. A 7 p.m. kickoff. It is a Oko Stadium, Echo Share team in the Liga, which me I share and also Ewo TV. So it's this weekend that I anyway there a double package for football fans.
Are you ready?
For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world. From the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C., ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Okoman Radio. Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey. Okoman Radio.
All right, I'm your phone. Yeah, Mobi Bia Kwaba and from Okoman 97.1 Okoman Global Sports. And we so yetimatanasia yedeba Easter yama for dinia dia. Yes, yes you could be near dia barane. Yaba ababetanase for God and country. ɛnti ne yɛra so ɛwɔ ha ne na agodie mu nsɛm etwegu ɛwɔ Ghana ha abibrem ana afei so na manane yɛba bɛtena se na ɛne yɛde wo nkɔmmɔ apɛ ne poma sibrɛ na afei so apɛ kwan a yɛ agodie mu no anaasɛ yɛakensi esi ɛwɔ Ghana ha no ɛnso betumi atu mpɔm ɛde akɔ n'anim ɛno ane ato ne din sɛ Okoman Global Sports awiei medin Kelvin Amponsah Addi obetumi afrɛ me AK sɛ na yɛbenada wat sɛne ayɛ ne deɛ na ano da kwasie kɔyɛ ayi Krista asɔre dwumadi hyehyɛ nkoa mmea me pepa aso ne adeɛ na ma ne nyina ni wɔ so officially ma ne nyina no me no awie ɛsɛ me nya oba bia AK edu adwuma so dia me humu ayɛ yi abɛyɛ ma nyina AK ɛsɛ officially atwa so nya oba bia AK biem mmea me fa to ago na me pepa nkonya so a ni wi abɛyɛ ma nyina AK ɛnti no bari aba na yaba club ya Santi ofie ha Samson and the writer commentator Jumadi and executive producer Yura Kofi Anson Bafo Samson head of sports Nana Kofi Okore Ajman Ebwa wabobo ansem ni nyina no e de gu nkrata so na wie yatena se a yenso yede eba DJs gibi ebwa na Facebook Facebook YouTube entono etuma twa gu nti wa wo fie no obetuma hwe live on Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio 97.1 on Facebook, YouTube, and so no Okoman Radio 97.1 Instagram, Twitter, at Okoman 971 at Okoman 971 on Twitter, and I think so on Instagram. Okwa betmenya live ewo ho na odo ajinche WhatsApp SMS bar fafa 0551 667755 0551 667755 and 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 also between do ajinche area foul area pa and then some many over the weekend unim say the Ghana Premier League games etumi ekoso and say enya senkuma na games makoma komiensa bi tieniye games miensa bi etodwa na amanfo started raise consent I was that games no home the didn't kind 11 wonders and a Bechem United game no 11 wonders and a Bechem United game no when you say game no cost na no diamonds of the game and 11 wonders even a 3-2 win over Bechem United issues afiase ebo baba e de fa ho Sansona Brekum Chelsea ekwa away and West African Football Academy Wafa eboye and also sensem eba Brekum Chelsea and Wafa game no and so I want some eba BBN Gold Stars Great Olympics and so on some eba I'm for raise issues so betting and match fixing no I'm for shall can na Sanson beto John Miami bisa the Ghana Football Association what the they be amo person come asem ye de musi simpiuso ye come asem sa ye bisa say as gold any interlies game last season amo boy no ye ni say match fixing e ko so betting e ko so but the Danny command disciplinary committee say omo hye enka asem no last year on poor game no e kwa fe ba kuni as gold ni interlies game no yente won asem bia ye bisa Sakusi saying 7-2 is not 5-2 7 oh one sense 7 ni na yente won sam ye beko efina ka kyen akobisa sansam na wo say ne no adan ye boy league na adu be bina league no be kwa wie ya e dey match fixing betting e pa game no mo na ma stadia de bi super and the mayor editor kakra ma stadia de bi e wo game no mo e dey for this betting companies and all so we say match bi ya fix ya betting company na no omo ekwa omo fa so edi detect and edi tell me say sa match we ya fix it into omo to be yifi omo system mu ai na FA ne de omo to me nkere ma FA no so obi omo yi na si wo so nhwe sa na yama nyina but at the end the say game no ya bo wie kura na still omo to me emfa disciplinary issues be emfa ma esa high game no say na ba be hwe sa issues nya say aden ya boy league na do baby aka be 10 matches 8 matches 7 matches na just ye bo ye fix matches in pay for ya we omo ntumi kan chance omo ya we Kurt ni Henry ne money ade no prosperous na do omo ya we of all this and among ben amutu e de found Your bonus I be an say Jawan ya him and send fata ye game no. But Enra ukopiemu ewo aye African Champions League. Na Simba FC and Orlando Pirates and a boy a game no coin a na Simba from Tanzania as Orlando Pirates 1-0 na Orlando Pirates head coach Eden Sem Eddie Atuja. I say referee jina muti game eno any CAF officials say PPM Tanzania o share sa game no so no sabi suban bi o mu dan din ensem fata association football Tanzania na say Simba team no niam bi o mu dan di o game no mo ensem fata association football ye bo game referee penalty Orlando Pirates for no feel say penalty no enye penalty referee ko hweva ye say va na dum ye so enso referee by say ane ye say va na enso nti say na ye je penalty ni sa African football na o che nsama coach ni de tudwa o chirim say ye ho Africa fo e de sa nyama di e ho a emmo ayen ebe di baby abrofo ni be dian ebe ya o ko ka kire wan isan say ye ho no among we the Africans and sa no kan ye de ye ho a ebe de na bruni de ye a obi akebia man ebe ko ni ahwe sansem no so Europe Manchester United etumenya victory against Norwich City. Chelsea in the FA Cup etuma qualified the grand finale alongside Liverpool. Ebe ko na ahwe top flight major European leagues no say na weekend no so no etumi eko RFI until 7 doors so ye be na abobo sama na nsem tew be para right and so ye fisema ba nya betra say din komo papa fresh and so if you have obeboy na yenso no ye di enkomo krobia wa ha mama krobia kwaba krobia sante mama kwaba.
Oh, okay. Obadia Dama, BBI Kama. It was a beautiful and nice and a long weekend. Edemaya, Yekoi, Dano Fiada, Ayebu Yakete Mofie Fidiumuga, just say Jumako Koswa, but say, Yabe Jumanity, I think, say, ne, Anayamie to me, a beer Kwayamayenga, a ne, new sorry no, a son faso, and a Yugusua, Yedi Dimua, she say, a fedang se, na Yugusua, one day. Etiase ewon kwam voice no de nsheda anyesa
say ono akwaba night now jirem ewo superb
yes
but you know Sunday Christmas sorry dem enti no ujirem wo akwaba night ewo superb why ade mo adwuma na sha se fiada me that readiness now jirem yeah but Christmas sorry so me but na nyum na yefiti na wata after 2:30 am after 2:30 am kwasi ayi ade ache ajuada no me hu ba wo hu me na nya won kwa so na
tamben
2:30 am
sa time ne fi na ma be do town
enti na so YouTube se me
oh yeah se ne fi na ma be do town
ne fi na ma be sa time ne nyina no kure
se me bu market mu kakra nti sa time ne hu me ne fi na ma be do town enti na bibia so no kama nti no wa sorry say no yo
na o sorry ye me hu won sorry na se dem okowu na me hu ye koku ni de me hu na o sorry
ba wo ye bibia yes mo fa Kaiser de my Kaiser no bibia
o say ne de
wo defeat de mafia da
o de me da sa Kristo wo sorry ni mo
so no wo ye bibia
say me de me makase me wo mu ana me wo me de no
ntino wo ye ni ese fata bia yes
ana me ye
because akwa bi na and then is one yes unse kwesi ada na Kristo sorry no ana oko choice ensanom yes ensanom yen repent na obi bia wono monsa bia no jai na wano monsa antifa ne sa afini na wano monsa kura den na wenya wo mu ana na first reply nipa odi kan oko reply nipa no oka cheni say be ya fini start no mukoko dem pa no wenya wo koko what has porridge giving you the last one here
so that one bonja accord dem pa no wenya so moroko na wa so den wenya I'm for cancer mokro
okay some of yes I'm on it and some no be teteteu
na we can no shaman you game ni bi
oh okay me shebi
na Abrante Harry Maguire no ono no de no Maintenance yo.
Ahead of this game tonight, I want Liverpool on coach addresses issues in Nina.
Say you on one player. Now 29 dia wono. Baako osase wo Eric Bailey so. Edi ni ti kopem Eric Bailey apparently. And Sheffield Bailey so no ba Ronaldo.
Yes.
Ebe tu Ronaldo se baako.
Yes.
Every weekend ni.
Naso.
Kura na 9 side akọ poverty ho. Ama poverty apai.
Naso ase ate what we atare we even I'm sure na enwumre kura ye be hu se plaster bia ho.
Harry Maguire.
Yes.
But sad news.
Yeah, the who details eba.
Sad news. Cristiano Ronaldo.
Yeah, the who details.
Sad news eba. And I mean, saw the same go the Inter Branton and they game no against Liverpool to me. Now I know the news never no. I know a very very sad. Me moments me jamu di amao. Now so no wa bomitino man any sam
draw no eba so.
Total African Cup of Nations 2023. Qualifiers and African qualifiers and then 5 p.m.
We are saying I no walk up on you bet me I no be as actually teams and our countries are pay woman no my Ghana Okoman so bet me at when
the man for instance African no and next year na you be qualifiers and to qualifiers and draw no
na yeah
and ebe to dwa tie de mu amen eba ntino tani aye suba em kwana man na nsam mara
De Bruyne drifting away from N'Golo Conte. Kevin De Bruyne! Oh, wow, that's brilliant! That is magnificent!
Okoman Radio.
Points of world-class difference.
Right, Okoman 97.1. Okoman Global Sports Nebria Drew say the creme de la creme tidbit around the world of sports no. And so eba be dan yetie for any ya hwe for unum se ne games do dona any other stories na ana etwegu ehon tina na Kofi Okori Agyeman together with AK any the writer commentator wo mo ababu ansem na no abone se bede de aso ame se me nkon kwanten kro na me fa manfo kro su sem no and so enfan be dan yetie for enti udwane a wonso ubetumi adwane e all the social media platforms a Okoma enso ejene ho emena ura production room a DJ Zigibi any list wo mo eboa ama ni live streaming no enso etumi akoso Facebook no Okoma 97.1 Okoma 97.1 sanso na YouTube no enso Okoma Radio 97.1 Okuma Radio ewo YouTube Okuma Radio 97.1 now so way to me adwani aka chose stories na eba ni nyina evidence based stories inti ye de ba ye kan na ne ya chew esiku a enenu ye so yetumi ekotu so embre ho na so wehu bibia kama na ne saa yemu no se be ye de na be ye ofe na so wehu bibia dito a odwane ewo Facebook Okuma 97.1 now so way to me ama bibia so no etumi aye kama ye the games a enenu etodwa de ba ye di Ronaldo hu news so no eba sanso na Barcelona enioma ekoyie kakra na mum no asanso esiniti ase ye de hu nsem nyina no enso eba Total African Cup of Nations the 34th edition no ebetumi akoso ewo Ivory Coast no ye de hu nsem nyina no enso eba be dan wona bibia so no etumi aye kamedi no eye krobia asante yenko ne yenkohwe games a enenu eno so ebetumi akoso eho two biggest game ene nyina wura Europe 2 biggest game pa and also eho no ene izigi betumi aboa ama no so ede atoso eye top games 2 ana nenu eho wura Italian Scudetto ana say Serie A na ana say enenu Coppa Italia yes Coppa Italia no urema eye game ba ko a eho no eye Milan derby and also ekoso eho Giuseppe Meazza San Siro ana obetumi abosa game no Milan and so any Inter Milan ebebo sanso na United Manchester United ekopiemu ewo Anfield na so e the EPL game back on enso etumi abaso nti ubehun top 2 games a ene ye wo hwa ye nso ye betumi discussion na bibia so no etumi akoso kama ntini yakohwe games a and brother and also etumi etodwa enso ewo in the Spanish La Liga ni mu a ye de ehon results nyina no enso etumi ede Abraham sanso ana nenso no games ni bi ebetumi akoso ewo Spanish La Liga ni mu ye de ehon results nyina no enso betumi abandra da Barcelona etna Estadio de Camp Nou enso etumi elusu by 1-0 into Cadiz awomo so entumi antimu ajay ewo hono ma ene 2 games consecutively no Xavi Hernandez ene mrantie no enso etumi elusu nim say yawada no womo etna fie ama Eintracht Frankfurt from Germany ekotwa wo economy ensa ama womo timu mienu ewo Europa Cup wɔn nso etumi eyi wɔn afiri wɔn nso etena hɔ endrada ama 4 days no within 4 days Barcelona elusi back to back ni nyina enso eye wɔn home soil wɔn eto endrada Cadiz enso ekotwa wɔn kan ba kwa wɔn etumi ensimu agye yɛhwɛ games ene enso eba so ewe ne Spanish Premier Division ne yɛhwɛ games eno so eba so Mallorca eye Baba Idrisu ni team no ono so etena fie enatonsa ede afre Deportivo Alaves no wɔn di game no etumi awendam so sanso ana Real Betis enso etena fie ene Elche enso ede awendam so ewo Estadio de la Ceramica the informed team Villarreal the Yellow Submarines wɔn so etena fie atonsa ede afre team aye friend of Valencia na wɔn so ede game no etumi awendam so ma wi bianso no etumi aye kama eno ni games eno so eba so ene due ya yede ni nyina no enso ede edamo honomo ne yenko hwe ene English Backriver Premier League no na before that no yenhwe Abrante friend no Sergio Busquets Barcelona ono so etumi aye record wetumi equal Abrante aye friend no Andres Iniesta ene no track record and as an appearance for Barcelona shirt no ene Abrante no 674 and ono so etumi emeki honoma ono so ede edwene ho M92 remu Facebook ubehu se Lionel Andre Messi Leo Pochettino ono so na wetumi emeki ene appearance do pa ede ama Barcelona womo aka no Xavi no mo obibia edidi so womo so M92 remu Facebook unsu ubehu se ne na squad no anase teams no players no ene se dia womo nyina etumi emeki appearance no ede ama Barcelona endrada no ene Abrante aye friend no Busquets ono so etumi equal ene Abrante friend no Andres Iniesta ono so no ayede ehusem nyina no enso ede bayenko ne kompie mu ewe ne English Premier League ni mu unim se ne big game no enso eba so ye Liverpool versus ne no Manchester United na sa game we no eba so ewo Anfield yede ehusem no so no ede eba unim se first leg no etumi ekoso ene Liverpool ekoto Manchester United ewo Old Trafford the Red Devils no etumi ejeka no enum 5-0 ewe ne wom home soil this time round womo visit ene no Liverpool we never walk alone womo so ka koba against no ewo Anfield yede ehusem nyina no enso ede eba into ukomu ubehu game reactions no ewo sedia ene no nyoma so no esi eko hono ma big game ana ene no yede eba na ta game we no ana ene mpanifo womo di boga ahead of United ebo.
It's a big game. It's a massive game. Two biggest clubs in the world, I would say. Maybe in Spain too will say it's differently, but two of the biggest clubs in the world for sure face each other. Massive history around, big fights in the past, big fights since I'm here. We lost strange games against United. Took a while until we could win there. All these kind of things, always we had to learn to deal with it. Some players had to learn to deal with it because of how much it means to them.
We any eseba papa e friend no judging club on also air manager man Liverpool on also edi etuga say no big game ana eba so Manchester United etumi aba be hye wo mo e wo Anfield pen obe kaisa Michael Skelton no mo breso Anthony Martial eba foforo ye no ye nkrofo hu nwia enti wo mo etumi aba hye wo pen sa na wo mo so etumi akohye Manchester United e wo Old Trafford pen enti ye big game no so eba so o de sansem no etuga owie na ne no professor himself ene pep club ana say ene no club wakasa na ene professor aye friend Ralph Ragnick ono no chekere ene club adia ana ono so e de eje ne home na ono so e de sem to go say Norwich game no nyoma nkoye yete sem a ono so e de to go
that everybody has to think like a defensive midfielder. That's why it was just for me too easy. I think we are probably the only team in the league who concedes goals like this. If I just think about the games since I arrived, how many games we have been 1-0 and 2-0 up and in the end only got a point. I mean, this is easily 6-8 points that we should have easily have had more. But this brings us back to the same situation that we just didn't defend well enough in moments like this. And if you want to defend properly in this league, where no matter which team has their individual weapons on the pitch, you just have to defend. You have to be physical. You shouldn't just allow them to go past ourselves and through our lines as easy as that. And this is just what we have to, what this
we any ensema ene Professor Ralph Rangnick on also edi etugefa gamer and also eba Manchester United ene womu defensive players ni nyina epra Scott McTominay onya available sanso ana Fred on also enya available nti ehu behia say players no all attacking players ni nyina no womu so ebe defend ye aboa in terms of defensive work womu beboa womu ko attacking so womu betumi aboa na momo no wohwe mistakes a womu ye against Norwich sa particular game on ka kobo na nyunui enya ade a womu betumi make such mistakes no enye sa ade o mo fence no ebetumi aye wo mutan ye wo United afemu na Andre Nwumre ye nyina ye tete wa ye dwendwen ye ho ehwe se de enuoma betumi akwa ana Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro enso etumi e the official statement eba abonten ti wudwane e wo Okoman 97.1 ubehu the official statement Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro enso etumi e release ya na oche se neno Nigeria aye friend no Georgina Rodriguez no e kwa woso Georgina Rodriguez eki asem na mobo yes Endra Georgina Rodriguez ekwa woso na unhu se Ronaldo na wedi nkan ede nkoda makoma 9 abati atifo asasi so yes inti atifo asasi so ode nwa ba no na Nigeria no Georgina eka kworo na eyenta okowo nipa me
so you know Ronaldo so o ntadada
nti second in town okakwo
yes
come on enti womo kwa wono so no na chese otumi we mienu ne de ntafo ni tumi bai obaba ko pema ba ko ne mbom no wetumi ahwere oberema no yes
get here for say live on Facebook
yes
you know
one namwa na we hu say dey obey nyoma enti no wahwere obema no enti ata say bye to the world and then Papa Cristiano Ronaldo and the entire family.
So sad.
Yes.
And oyere kwa woso.
Yes.
Oko abana wawo all right na emu no akoda no ba ko afiri mu. Unsa wo musem na ya na edin. Tina man aya ye ntoto mase no. Omo so say ma banso no.
Enti udwani wo Facebook a obehu wo family pictures ni nyina ne nam family pictures. Bo hu say de one ne nkola no etete ho ne inti wo nyina we kame 2 newly born babies na ne ba kon fofia anto ata na wedware abama ata etumi adan na echi ono so entumi antena at for asasi so anche cry inti no condolences pa no Okoman team ni nyina no yenso ye de Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro ensiwa Manchester United afemu ha bio wo former player and ase wo legend Abrante aye friend no Baby Jet Rooney. Yes, Baby Rooney, the white Pele.
Baby face assassin.
Yes. Inti when Rooney, when we say the team ene coach Derby County. Na Derby County no one way to me akọ relegation. Derby County and rather
Rooney the Derby County
officially and rather wo kwa clone say matches aka wo win ni nyina kra na wo mo ekọ relegation.
Rooney yana nkodi Derby qualify by league.
Yes.
Last season.
Yes.
It's a season after no.
The team no relegation. Inti womo ko relegation. Na nioma eto two team. When we say team no womo ni owner. Yes, team no womo ni owner. Womo ni obi ohwe won. Womo ahunyehiam.
The team no ko relegation.
Team no so yes, womo ntuetua players bi kan ade inti womo te womo points. 21 good points. Ana ne womo tumi elusi. Administratively any players worth any adi nyina no 21 good points ana womo deductive fee munti no wo hwe ni nyina kabuma na chese wo muntumi and survive nti wo muso etumi akwa remu but supporters no fans no ne ade etumi say Rooney ejuma players no so etumi akere wo do e de ama club no enti endrada wo mo ko relegation officially no after that game no yen hwe say their fans no react. Right, nature say enenu Derby fans ni nyina se wo support ejuma pa enenu when Rooney and the players and entire body playing body ni nyina etumi aye enti wo mota wo mochi say leg 1 wo mu nyina esanka akọbọ na akwa no enjo beba Erik ten Hag no obeba Erik ten Hag ono a new Manchester United player and as a manager ente obetumi abana wa beso edumanim end of this season no obeba na wa beje Manchester United na Erling Brot Haaland okay anodin o sha £500,000 a week oba beje e Manchester City se bibia nsesa enei o hwe Pep Guardiola wetumi aye press conference ronko brochin or den sema to go say no comment e wa brand e friend no Erling Haaland ho no comment abrante ni beba no nyampaya ene no anya dia ye be confirm say wa ba into £500,000 a week and any sika brante no enso e ba beje Nigeria wo former enei manager Gareth Roy unse no na nkode wo ba AFCON no ana wo epam no eni ode nsem akoda FIFA say ni sika bi ni compensation bi amanfo nya na wo muntu amfama no Nigeria fo ntua enti ode nsem aba say next week verdict no be ba bontin nti o hwe nim say den ana FIFA enso ebetumi aka ede afa nti Nigeria wo coach wo former coach your friend no Gareth Roy ono so nsem a ode atugwa enso eni na eke ene ana CAF wo mode eni draw no tugwa the 34th edition of any African Cup of Nations ebetumi akoso ewo any Ivory Coast ebetumi abaso the 34th edition of the Biennial African Showpiece in Cote d'Ivoire no ebetumi abaso na say na tie unum say port no uko Facebook abem say their port no tie no ye din kan e dey abetu to go adida into port 1 port 2 port 3 ye 1 to 4 ports and ye 48 countries and a woman so complete support we honomo na ye benya 12 groups and each group biano and so contain 4 nations and a woman betumi complete each group bia nti yebe ewie no a yebenya 12 groups na 12 groups you know unim say yebenya no nenu group A to L and yebetumi enya 2 teams you know ebetumi qualify automatically edi womani atre ene Cote d'Ivoire into 4 teams in a group 12 groups and ene yeka kobo into AFCON draw no ebetumi atodwa ebaso ewo Johannesburg South Africa 5:30 Ghana time GMT ana ne no draw no enso ebaso na mpanifo a wo mo beti anim ama draw no etumi aba no enso eye CAF director of competitions ene director ohwe ene CAF wo mo competitions a wo draw tournament a wo draw wo mo bono papa ye friend no Samson Ademu ono eye Nigerian international ono ana ne no obeboa ma draw no enso etumi akoso assisted by ene African football legends Lucas Valeri Intuba Radebe ono eye South African obedi ne nkwe ene ne nchurodo ohwe 2000 wa eba bepi 2005 Leeds United ehọ na branche ebesi na kan ya agigi ni dia ewo hono ma Kaizer Chiefs wabubo bia kama nti abranche no ono ana ene no ono so betumi assist na former Chelsea ene Ivory Coast legend abranche friend no Salomon Ahmad Maguilo Kalu ono so eboa ama bibia so no etumi ay kama we no ne mranti a wo mo so eboa ma draw no etumi atodwa o Johannesburg game no ebetumi akoso na draw no betumi akoso kama na nim se ne nyina ne yanim se eye January ananka Ivory Coast yebebo AFCON no na ye January unse wo mo kira June July ne sa we no ya na akowure mu net African players no eja wo mo clubs no ebebo tournament no this time ne yebebo ni January but January ni so no yebebo World Cup November December na wo say January players is Ankobo League nti ene no date no enso etumi asesa any month ni bibia nti ye June July and at this time no yebetumi asan abo
so be do June July na season
yes
players no European players no obia ofi
na wo mo pre-season into African players no wo mo pre-season wo mo de ba be bo the AFCON no and so Ivory Coast na bibia e kama nti say no June July and in the AFCON no ebetumi akoso na picture of the day Ziggy Obama in picture of the day no ekina osha no wa judge na sem we enyeme na mkofa bai eye dia manfo ka ana men so media ba because eye nipa no hu adwuma na ye no dia wo mo pe etie ene dia wo mo pa hwe eno ana ye de banti Ziggy picture of the day no o de ma ene no o de to so a eke chirechiremu
ko bia pa
o se me de bia ba wo na wo chirechiremu nti we anya mi o eye wo nipa no ya wo pen
Javi press ankwa na ma na pempe ma pe
nti no odi chechemwe yes
no.
nti na wotwe penin state
Javi womuni yesi jegu ni chemu nye jaketwa Lucy back to back
yes
I say na
nti se wokɔhwɛ said Frank Lampard se ni nwi cry white esen Mourinho a na che se ejuma coaching easy okay tidbit around the world of sports inyuma kwei ana ne wo mo eso ya asema yɛ de dwumedie no enso e de by Dominion herbal powder eni unye bia o hwe Karim Mustafa Benzema meka wasem a kyerɛ wo sɛ abrante no Baron d'Or no o hwe nim sɛ World Cup a ekoso November December enso e wo Qatar no o hwe nim sɛ ne modern boka kra bi pɛ enye sɛ onkono nkɔgye ne mo bɔ no ho modern kakra bibia betumi aye kama ama no nti Dominion herbal powder ana na eme kanfo e de ama ene high blood pressure uwo bia betumi aboa ama etu ase sanso na diabetes stroke spinal cord problems ni nyina no e betumi etu ase na open dodo enso etumi etu a ubetumi afrem penny4 e wo 0543 158 195 sanso ana 0245 588 266 ubenya bia okuforibia Gapson Pharmacy Delight Pharmacy ohene nana eneno heba ubetumi enya bi ebrino asumdwe house near Anglican ubetumi enya bi so menya na Giza Pharmacy sanso na Accra no enso Kanshi Drug Lane Mampong Dora Orchard Chemicals sanso na Fosina Edu Chemicals ni nyina no ubetumi enya bi na bibia so no etumi kama wato asase se wunsi dan bibia etese wo ye wo so bia no ubenya ene cement awodo ene iron rods nails ene iron and galvanized pipes ubenya square pipes round pipes ene angle pipes ni nyina obetumi enya bia JDK Adom Enterprise ana womo so aba wakwemu a womo betumi abo ama iron rods awodo cement awodo ni nyina no wonso betumi enya bi fofofo na bibia nso no etumi kama womo cha durable and affordable prices ana na ewuchira wonso betumi enya bi na bibia kama wobehu achira kwan Mampong ekuapem opsi de tetekwashi eneno heba anase tetekwashi hospital no ukokwa bibia betumi kama ubetumi afra omo 0244 429 533 ana 0244 857 874 eyinum ni nyumo ko a wo mo bom esen e de tidbit around the world of sports and so e de ebremodi no Krobia Asante.
All right, Krobia Asante another man nsem e bae bebe fie na efisem tell no writer and so etimi e de aba Zuba
boss player nyamya to be fine very long weekend cars na obo medins na ema me kai Accra na oni pe bi se ofikuma se omo no he zara ti otume chara ofana frame la Ricardo bibia fine boy mu ede na ko eni enfanto dwa chalekela enye commentary ye wa Nyamiadom but no many said and just ukopie ba me so star story I have star story ukopie mu voter regional 1 women's team be one more lady B
AFC goalkeeper right
yes very sad
pa was akora keto pa
young kra
so bebo am say holidays yenzo kudware
labi
anaden
labi na one Zuba bayan komra na valete sembla baby jata kasa baby yes so bokotoko ansa no ayi yo
say dey be so
bokotoko but Zuba ansam no do so pa si ye bonito na ye kobra samu enkumso akasa na enkrofo be penifo bia akasa nti ye kobra.
Okay,
this is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own, let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again.
Wome afa visa mantia so media so information it's from your still Okoman Radio 97.2 joining live for Facebook haba obenya bia kama na maboa na bia so no etumi akonkai won ma yeti onkomo so de ben san na September am free over the weekend Ghana Premier League match day 25 say ana resource no ACT Lagos City etna fiaton sad from media mo bon economy ansa wotumi etim ba ko Adriana Stars ne as good game no ekoye 0-0 House of Folk etna eye across first the many omina sagre when tam so a game no ekoye 1 Carolina United about dreams Kanaba Kwa went to me in Simarabraka 11 wonders 3 Bechem United 2 South Sona Wafa Eche Eya Okopiema Brekum Chelsea Bomo coming and sa Wamosu Etmia team Yenua Gold Stars Eche Accra Great Olympics Oligbo Bolimashi Oji Lijuli Juwa Bon Academy Noa Wanosu Etmia team Bako South So Ana Eya Kim Voice Septana Fia Large Groups and Mrantiano Ama Accra Lions Eko Bon Kanaba Kwa went to me in Simarabraka out to you Eche Club Yakuma Sales Santora Kwa Bon Academy Noa Wanosu Etmia team Bako fire team no over the weekend no fire na ose kotoko jesi ye said we pe anoko say has a 4 jesi na hon come so no and said anya firi agro ye the emas generative for after the game coaches out no eren koma career jai head coach eren mabubo kwantin ere eye house of folk rote ere samo bodu kofie so papa no eren koma credit ba say okopie mo da game no a ne boys no ankasa na ye berego nya sadia enkata game no komu wini but it seems like boys no instructions no the bomb no omo ye berego samo bodu and come on in here.
Not all that good, but I can't say it's not bad and it's not good because some of the players are tactically indisciplined. So what you told them to do, they do it different way. So that made us changing of a lot of players in the field of play because the Obi say Addi Awoye no say affected the whole team. Until make us say it was very bad day for us.
And to we an commercial head coach Arema Ayabo Quatin Yasafo Corati Are Samuel Bood Warrior Bar Yadi Emergency for Krobia Kumasa Santora head coach Ranting Are Prosper Natokumo Opinino and Commercial Basasha Osha given on a boys no seems like almost no better go none over the weekend has no go players no only a blog boys no elusu focus on the pitch sub Ranting Are Dr. Prosper Nati Ogum.
I think they lost their focus on the field. Most of the things that they were doing, especially with the ball, were not the things that they were supposed to do. They were too individualistic on the field. Most of the players didn't play as a unit, as a team, and I think that actually affected us.
And to way and Kumaka Prosper na to Kumodia Ba, Yedi Amazon, for an Kokan, the business, and it seems like game no can 9 matches to go. Obeka say, pressure, but also pressure also.
It's not pressure time. We've lost. We have to accept the defeat, make sure that we stay focused, we stay confident. We don't have to lose our composure. We don't have to lose our self-belief. We have to go back and make sure that we get things done right. That is just not necessary because Apia was with him. So once you had a defeat, and if he gets the ball and he takes a shot at goal, you'll be able to save it. But I think he was trying to think faster ahead of the two players, and rather in terms of his movement he was late, and the RTU player was first to the ball. It's okay, we've lost and we have to accept it. I mean, no blame game. We just have to make sure that we go back as a unit like we came here and make sure that we get things done right and move on. That's all.
And yes, Dr. No, Abama Kai, JHS near CHS, Uboko Science Unit, Intino, or apply that unit, no, our fitness as well, on also then come out, Kadia Bana, Kasimengo, and Komaba, essay, or better the Ghana Football Association. Ref no Kodi, Omane, a yellow everyone that's given, hey, Refi Panier, Anwa, a brother so aging him.
It was not a bad thing, but I attribute our loss the bad officiating. You were all witness to whatever happened. So I am appealing to the FA to call for the clip and watch the game so that you should sanitize football. For what happened, it's a very disgraceful thing to Ghana football.
And no, it's very disgraceful to Ghana football. Tiabasana coaches no, wini naze uchivu zaka krana. Omedia, out to you, Ibrahim Saibu Tanko. I recommend credit by say yes, ne targets no, enye kotoko, eye the top 4.
Kodogo are a good side by all standards, and we are a better side. We clipped their wings. Where they are supposed to operate, we clipped it. They couldn't get any way to play there. That is the secret. Kodogo is not my target. My target is to remain in the league. So forward match, as I earlier on mentioned in the beginning, our forward match will begin from today. We play this way, even away. This is how we play, except that circumstances beyond our control emerges. That is why we are where we are.
And Ibrahim Saibu Tanko, and I don't come out about someone come. I a player, Adam also focus signed him on one chance so far by about 2 matches. Yes, we lose back, draw back, go back, Eddie Amabu, Quatini, so for not in come out credit about so you player now. What about the Ghana Premier League? Now, what come on, and now all some person poetry now, Bebo, the Ghana Premier League. I think, and all you player, Obe Felicia, Nasa Obe Ferry.
I think I keep on saying something to a lot of players, or even no football in general, to come back where you started. Don't feel shame. This is my opinion. I played Ghana League before I traveled. It's the same Ghana League gave me the platform. So when you are coming back, why you feel shy to come back? I was in Georgia. I just finished my contract in December, and I came to Ghana, and I said I want to play Ghana League, and I want to. So I don't feel like why you are playing Ghana League. No, I'm also coming to the league also to motivate the young ones, to encourage them that if they play well, they can also get themselves somewhere.
Osha Samuel you brought no kana nye Ghana for bro you know. This is pure and Georgia English and skudu distant. I was saying no come akradia ba ye dia ma senete for baby jatakasa asa si ano onyanyanka kodoko no bebo na wetimi aye yasa na ondwen crowd say wa man dabi isi ano locally is kotoko.
International, I don't know, but locally, yes. That one, I'm sure about that. If I want to play, I have to play locally.
Liberty or Hearts?
Kotoko.
Thank you. Baby Jet.
Why did you skip Kotoko?
No, she has a folk fan.
No, I was born in Accra. You know, I admire them from afar. Some of the players I played in Accra folk who are my friends. You know, so I can never disrespect Accra folk, but I'm a Kotoko huge fan. It doesn't mean if I see Accra folk, I will be no. They are a huge club, but I've got my team that I support. You know, and so they. And
you want to play for that team?
I'm disappointed. I shouldn't have asked the question.
Oh no, it's good you asked.
You know, listen.
And then listen, Sano, and one of these, you know, Kobe Biano and ye, Ebe Harba, Suba, Frank Mbele Tuga, Ebe break the recorder, and also on some, and then some Eric Bequin, Oshe in the year 2007-2008. The Ghana Premier League Ghana Abrantiano Ase 17 goals in the year 24 matches. In 2007, Edema Krobia Kumasi Santroko. Now Abrantia Frank Mbele Tuga Ase 17 goals and Ausha Wabo a year 25 games. Ariamabu Quantin Ede Krobia Kumasi Santroko Quintino record nedie I can 9 matches to go. And the Abrantiano Edenya Unyaya Bako pe count pe na Abrantia ni team Eric Bequin. A year na the record no break here Frank Mbele Tuga. And no is ya be equal one also edging samba and what a year Kumasia and yet Fidia na Suba Oko PMA Yanko Facebook. Oh, your ref is nobody the Ghana Premier League Super Omayadio. But over the weekend, our Central Region and a one referee would a year Division 2 1 game be na hot mana Super Oko PMA ne assistant line 2 edge a year infringement be infringement no Gia Division 2. Infringement no Gia no na o share supporter ba ku fie chire o se dabi infringement no Gia no a o sama play and red card no and a game no wo mo pon na o hwe moja dabi so be football no ye football me bia do ne die se empenifam form ne esi form a Danny Dane e be referees no e problem kaka we don't know sometimes no supporters no ye mo da minim sensitive ne en tro mo say in the game we have to me see na wo ahwe kobna no ya bono moja oh, very sad. Very sad.
I can say Okoman, football. And at times I also don't blame the ordinary supporter. No, so the football administrators, and the football people, as they call themselves, in terms of infrastructure. So your stadium, your senior, perimeter, correct, security wise. I don't think Abrochi worse decision than some of our referees. But you wouldn't see the supporters some attack referee any idea. So I say into the football people as they call themselves and some developing game now. These are some of the things that so much to me here. I say and then God.
Super. I didn't know that. But my first this South story and sorry so now. Yankona emboy biaso intimi yankon kana elio kan no maybe mawusi Super maybe mawusi na per report ne eyewe ya ye gada na eche ohwa Easter ni mu na oni ne busuafo per what omo kan ne say oni ebusuafo no omo fifuta no omo travel akọ eyeku Afram place north for the east I don't know omo to was say enti omo te we ni mu eze kanu say kanu to omo ti mu na kanu ni dane ye kanina dania no and super lady no mo hwehwehwe but omo to me save almost about 13 people but ono no de omo to me save say insuo no ye ya na insuo no ere ne call ya oko Facebook am be this young beautiful lady osi akande ma eye me pay ladies goalkeeper pa brutal super adena no oden na me hu story man je ni so say me call eye voter the voter region association and I'm going to say yes the about so yeah very sad sorry
so sad yes. So sad but you made in come
man face man ye na yanko we just simple cra yan fa se dan ma ejapaye construct and general merchant wo mo then o ma say opeye adensi onyama na avona via so etimi akogasa so na say obeye yina na time ni ye yana menye ni ye yaza irade na ma say so na Ekiapem Icons Football Academy. At the age of a year, from 13, 12, kwa 14, say we need that so person boboa. Obeti me be forms ni bi was also na 17. As obeti me be forms ni bi na boa na ma bia so etimi akon 14 and as under 14 20 Ghana cedis sase and 17 30 a wo ba the front desk of a Okoman radio. Obenya forms bi na boa na ma bia so etimi akon kan ade nye fiance na bega se o me hunya nka dabi me hunya nka na aye brego a ye de onkomo so ede ba e wo jubility suba ma face se me be kwa na o mama ye bi eye we bi na aboa na
entino right and I'll think I say ono so de fisema ba Bernico but e be din komo yes but yendi efisem yendi komo ofie Ghana Premier League weekend matches no etumi akoso Papa Fresh wa ha sansa Kobe Asante wa ha because ha Okoman 97.1 Okoman Global Sports and abasugusa utie no betumi join live on Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 YouTube and so Okoman Radio 97.1 Twitter Instagram at Okoman 971 also no betumi follow Jumedi and kama and so text message WhatsApp or the bar 0551 667755 0551 667755 and 0270 191 971 0270 191 971. Now do I join chair at the upper weekend Ghana Premier League games no it's me to ja mama with your for Papa Fresh mama akwaba
Eke
yeah Papa Fresh bibia kama
nyame adom bibia hye
quick one weekend Ghana Premier League games no matches are all share ma be sima enum na Ghana Premier League games no
okay let me share TF na wie after say Easter and I brother okay measure 2 matches per talking about Aduana tonight fi any Ashanti Gold abo a draw game. I think say results are some of us not expected that results no because we share after say Aduana etimi coach Asaribedi Akwadi no. Now some of us we thought say almost sense you can we win games and at a point no da kotoko achira amotosu mienu e league table no so but we share of late performance Aduana nyana I think say our ye pa playing against Ashanti Good you nyina ni mu say kotoko na team wa timi akodoma akwhye Aduana we lose twice e home this season eti as Aduana team no this season home grounds na ya dia enya dia ekwanum tese ne ankan na ne enim Aduana na anka Aduana e bo doma anka nya dia team bia betimi akompo at least akonya go but this season we nya team kotoko ekwa Aduana ko winie ana abobo kwa ni be chem so to aso ekwa winie Aduana no na nam so a ye pamo coach Asaribedi akon and we share weekend on match against Ashanti Goda otumu say gradually no team and the Aduana home grounds no normal ground dey my team bia and o share bia league na duna say team only Yodi can pray for air trophy na say home grounds so crowd won't mean sha and I think say done to ama Aduana say nya de ombetimi age league no but maybe top for no de ombe can be second and I said third beyond bedi Ghana Premier League and one game I person me share beyond your house of folk coach Samuel Boadu Eke media maka dada say coach Samuel Boadu ono ne problem ono a na ekoso Emma ono ntumi win the games because maka say has Medford no untumi enya you can say Eke Boame kakra Medford ayi
Nuruddin Abdul Aziz ana
anya Nuruddin ono onya bimbo
Nuruddin Bo
anya ono
I was playing in Yabimbo
onya bimbo o ma ne mobi Ansaboche yes yebeka last season has ebeji league ni nyina na ya Ansaboche na guy here ono afiti mu yiko efutu na bomb Medford na sometimes na this guy Salifu baby and one of guys no also call Netty I think one Netty Netty Emmanuel Netty and so I can be these are the three players I know more has Medford last season before has beat me a premiership for a very long time and I team and the Premier League these are the guys are to me Jumaden has but this season after I say coach equal market equal to a players buy no I think the selection no abe that junior my team has a folk and Osha unya obiti say Nuruddin Abdulaziza onu betimi a holding more for the dem has ha ni obeboa attack no has any bi sese am no ka say but Ansabotwe ye player or ye player last season ye nyina nim guy ne contribution or the boy hat folk ma has 18 that three trophies so say can say no but this season this guy no nya kwan esia kan no say the performance of him but coach ne feel so be use other players done you can say Ansabotwe but me I think say my dream no I think say coach ni nya very wrong because contribution and I say chances are Ansabotwe be create e dey am heart folk no ebe ma banianom ebetimi anya kwanya atoto ntena dey am has enti me feel say baby edu no now 9 matches to go akase has ebe wura to for mu now omo da so that 6th position na aka 9 matches to go and Oshe games are has ebona this season nyina has away games very poor talking about games has akwe win away 2 pe Oshe league ayabo 25 matches na uchemu a half efie and be a half once year away matches ni nyina has we need 2 enti as a team watching league last season we share him said this is na ye kra obe defend the trophy na sempo obe rat off mu na bia wa FA Cup bi e de akọ Africa no that team no win just 2 games we and Osha a very bad record poor at my team like House of Folk so I wish say coach e be sesa formation because Osha e kwan players no all used players na players are coach ikoto emu be say enum de menyini say ke omunya bo ni bi bo because am feel no time on bebo has hook and most of these players no na bebre kura ba bia na omo no na omo nta anya bi mbo as a team no ayi omo de asinche ba coach ekosese omo nyina ba make say yanya de omo timi bo team no now we go back to Patrick Razak we start about 2 games obi wan say 3 time no we san bench no and one of the problems has enya this season AS has go oko has records this season you has share 22 goals and has share this season no o share 22 goals and yako Premier League no more on paper no obeka say has defense na one of the best defense and I say defensive pair yewo Premier League no but has conceded 16 goals out of 22 no machine o conceded 16 goals enti wudi ni nyina toto ho a baby ato chima kakra Medford wo because ye nyina nim say has that 2 central defenders now omukita best left back one of the best left back e Premiership no right back na very poor kakra na say challenging kakra but Oshe team has to focus Medford any attack no and the most problem has FAC this season because has share 22 goals and 22 goals no top man na Abribia coach Eyusu no ono ashe mienu pe wom Ono ahye mienu pe. Da bia obo but you can say Kofi Koji ahye 7 goals at the Amahas but coach ebo on the bench. Na da bia we yusu you can say has almost striker back on. Kojo Ben Junior but obia ha support and say ni ono and any jibo hu bia ebe hu say Abrante and performance e fem and there's no way say who striker wa share 7 goals o de ono ebetena bench no you soon ni ono wo 2 goals ne contribution on the field of play very poor no da bia na person wu su onu mu na team no so entimi share and I hope say coach in 9 matches no obetimi atoto ni ma yie na has etimi at least top for no mutimi leg ne de anya de has betimi ache and top for no mu rama na ebia etimi my team no match om ho anim because as defending champion there want to me and top for mu next season idea L from RTU ne kotoko from the blast of the hostel no to me say na RTU mani abre relegation no mo dam no relegation no mo dam no na idea enkoyi and I think it's RTU mpanyi for say eki e kan no mo koso atua de ma mrantia no because they nyina nim say last week num and our former president nua Ibrahim Mahama ya tete say wakotua sika ni bidi ama RTU players and on am so omne kotoko omo win game no and I think say also omo to aso say RTU per se league no omo kam na next season ye hu omo Ghana Premier League no mo dia eki also omo to Ghana omo to aso because omo tua ka bi a players na de ebe ya say we adwuma ba take tuamba na say da bia obre mojani e wa compromise so e prepare na asefo na yentua ka I think say very bad so me hope say mpanyifo beto aso abo amranten because wo hwe how omo ne kotoko esi aka na otum say guys no after so munya bibi kakra na say ahode na ba enti omo de omo ahode nyina ehyemu omo akotoko antimi win that game na omo munya 2-1 victory so yeah wo say beto a game no so na officiate no so yetimi ahwe ni ye because referees no wo hwe ne ekọ so Africa here talking about Simba dey here wo kan here VAR etimi call offer ebedu baby ye be call ye kan say ye be wakosi akan ye fan say World Cup ase ana say ye be fi Africa akobo baby ana so be fi Ghana ha ato aso ewo Champions League any Confederations Cup ebi ana nkonya that officiate no nti I hope say empanfo de mran be adwuma okromu a sana be you do baby na enye fa ni yen say enye fa na yesi akan edi nkonim de abafieke.
Okay, Papa Fresh and I'm telling you say odi FCM Ghana Premier League onsem back me and so it media ba Elfia Krabia Ghana Premier League matches na yema etiefo so embrem.
Okay. I think weekend, games, the donor to me a course. And which said their results in even the idea I think Ubia and the Chefa Pepe and league title no eneno aye KG I ne ye hwe ni mu se ebinum susu se kotoko afa league no fo aye run away eko ebinum susu se still with performance eneno Bechem United Danidi no wo musu betumi ama kotoko a run for their money but over the weekend results are ekopie our 11 wonders I personally in that particular game na meaning say it will be very, very difficult for a team as a Bechem United so I could pick all the 3 points. They are a team they are ambo this season draws no a Dawson. They are like Brecum Chelsea. This time one more draws no more pie and Bechem United one more modern but now one more kwawea anye hwe kra ne de 0-0 draw bi na one more diaba and we share 11 wonders one previous games ahead of this game and now BBS chere say one more modern bono esueni and one more peja one more lose their last 3 games ahead of this game now one more lose a game and both home and away no one more modern bono and so yeah there then esueni so I think say one more so no ebo home modern say one more be fight escape the relegation zone one more so etumi e de share in a Bechem United though nipa ni bi say sometimes medwene ho when it get to this point especially say we monitor all the leagues across the globe Ube say edu second round bia no a the last 10 games, most of the winning rate, echo edema those even clubs are already relegated, and EPL experience sad for the past 5 seasons. Cut the last 10 games the winning rate of one more pre escape relegation, and even those they've been declared relegated, points are one more accumulating higher than one more even tough on him, and I said the opposite or leg or accumulating, and then no to me actually ubenya sade no all the leagues are econo, and these are some of the shocks ube to me nya we cry there bechem out of second ana say win way to me about ana or aside say bechem United HC Kodoko for this season's league, on it was a Bruno derby 11 wonders bechem United and a lot of things echo into sad way. Yes, a lot because you see there are a lot of things, but one more single out say hey and you saying I don't know, and I don't think say bibisa bibia it was always be a young mumuno you be generated that bad news young leg one that's fun about very sad very sad. And they almost a team they can also fight back and come and win the game. Sad. Osha Madrid, Sevilla were leading 2-0. Madrid came back to win 3-2. Come back there. Norwich City ni position were league ni muyere. She minute I want to Manchester United 2 goals. You see, so se bibi wo mu a eno de FA no ene ni penny for any the investigation team na wo mu nim said ya wo boy no, but you know ye support ya no, and to say always be now be no trending news na ya about match fixing match you crack akoshe kra we say no obi da form 2 na nipa na ba bet to ashe 3-2 in 10 minutes. At the 10 minutes, what is a 3 so I think the BB woman I was a young who how I answer be page leg no. But yes, I know my way na de bia ye to foot throw a good amount for any say hey. I think say enya dia fair, and we should credit 11 wonders in modern war woman so airbo our league in mu anyhow a woman so air fight say woman be to me if you relegation zone and no say ye bo home modern, but it was a bad side. Bechem United may witness for all of this season bad side because I don't think say Bechem crab to me a single goal crowd to me at no. This season one way to me actually from all angles, no matter the venue or one more say and yet easy say one would decline shall crowd battle their show, but it was rather unfortunate on their side. Say after a goal up on one 2 goals up on one more time home better to one that defeat. Okay, Diana Stars. One way one teamer na Mijeri said this particular season, if nothing at all, say enye has ne winning league in this season. The second teamer na him so be to me aje league was Adriana Stars. But Adriana Stars to me are very disappointing this season, and we share nyoma ekoso team ni mu enya dia esweni. Coach awomo de share season na say coach Asarbedi Akon. And Asarbedi Akon played not less than 15 games at the Maoma. The modern bono Ansheda Answeni only about 27 points out of 45 possible points. And to Sonia and Pennyfu say 45 points now who accumulated 27 day a year below par. Then again, some matches be a ye Lucy ewa doma and sem fata Diana so be tenefi lusu such games in no womu ejina so ebo penene na situ. Then came in Abranta Yefreno, Ben Bessa, Zola, and Pape Baino, Mimi Hunu say, the modern boy esuni. Sometimes these top teams, to me kofa an interim manager, but due to performance obema in short term, no one to me hunu say, oh, Abranta Crash say, ye kofa no as an interim, but a Juma Wabe Bono esuni, and ye nyada from Ubeshe near Man United, Eddie Jumano, Emma Olegon Associate. He was an interim manager, but a Juma be ye no esweni ama womo talk also ema no contract ama sign a permanent contract. And mimi when say Zola a Juma be ye ewo Adriana Stars no na esweni anesa or ye Juma ye 4 matches no otumi every 6 matches no o win 4 e draw 1 e lose 1 pe out of 6 games. But anyway no womo susu say or ye interim manager and modern bono enya de be sweni into womo kofa the current coach ene owo ho eye Felix Aboaje. and Felix Abuaji buying first 5 matches a wabono ono so no etume win one our first 5 matches a wabo we lose 4 we lose 3 I draw 1 so what I say enye ade ye encouraging at all and the modern bono enya ade a eso eni so what I say enya ade a eso eni I think say 4 games on win bi krampo 3 draws and I wait to me abo 3 draws. And I don't think say 3 coaches in a single season for Aduana Stars upon all the qualities and the players available at one more players are one more assign ARD up. And I think say one more Beshana, one more IABB, one more the opportunity in the FA Cup. Our money Bechem United Ebabebo, and I think say Bechem United per dia 11 wonders in so if say one more tenacity share one more videos no more how any teams be a one way to me enya nkunimdi over Bechem United now almost take to where I think so almost be to me IABB now almost the opportunity to play in the FA Cup finals and even possibly so almost to me winning. They've been to Africa before and it's almost to me winning now almost and also be to me abwa at a paper winning as in isu and they are no aye BB actually one more fans because they are now supporters I think say including me. And I may was some or drug a crabby soft heart with them with materials anyhow and anka womu team no econo. I think say one more yes adding and also be to me abwa. So one more hope near the still intact by the EP the GP or no. I think say over and even top 4 cry it will be very difficult for Adriana say one more be to me about top 4. So they should look out elsewhere the FA Cup no one family focus and call FA Cup no I think say a bit to me about then at the end of the season one more shemo manager be a one so be to me about but 3 coaches in a single season for a club I don't think say a club on who any ambition say be to me ABB league new.
Okay, Kwame Asante and I'm attending Ghana. Well, Ubrini Ubitima Frapem. Now, so no, I join the Ghana Premier League. Where they are to 0551 667755 0551 667755 and now 0270 191 971 0270 191 971. Now, also what I join at me Eddie Abba. Waiting the message about. I say, a friend of Ken Idash. I say, Okoman, more fire. I'm connected live from Dubai. Ako is proud of you. And also, Nadia, go to me, Eddie about Ken Idash. And also, Temo Dubai. And then the message about my info. Hello.
Yo, Mama Kwame, my program. Kwame.
Kwame Okasafi.
Kasafi, a crofon. The Kamana analysis now we're para.
Yes, that's it, Papa. Kwame, dear, honestly, everybody say, Naniji analysis, and yes, yeah, Elfia, and 0551 667755 0551 667755 and 0270 191 971. Kofiatman Blackman, they about say, good afternoon, watching you live inside Pig Farm. Accra, and also the messenger. What to me, Eric on Hene Bempo, or see watching you live from Abotanso. Guys, you are doing a great job. Keep it up. More fire. And Farmer Mosel. Okoman never disappoints. And also the messenger. What to me, Eddie Abba, and no. Minka message. And Finfiona, yen sorry, Jumedi, and so. Really about see. Good afternoon, staff. I thank God for your life by granting us today, especially my number 1 priority. AK, kudos to my Chelsea boys by reaching the FA Cup finals. I am pleading on our behalf to Sadio Mane that he should free us this time around, at least 1 trophy this season. If not, I will stop supporting him personally. Richard, inside Noasu City, Odumasu Krobo. You said you money. You don't want to find out your Chelsea in Faba Kwafi. I should Liverpool Faba Afa Carabao Champions League or Queen so we find out league in so one so bit magic FA Cup with the riches or Sadio Mane akunjem na Chelsea fanko na also no enfanjo mani kakra afi abrenko edebesi na ya sorry jumedi no so nyame pechina ebeba na yesu yetumi abeto aso na yakui mame wohye Madam Agnes Chatro. Madam Agnes Chatro. Mama Agi, and your birthday. Mama, you so happy birthday. We so if you ba Sena Pamela ho. On also say Odoye pa or so happy birthday. Madam Agnes Chatro and your birthday. Sena Pamela Oba also so happy birthday. Na kupon show pa na onye okese. Zuba, we are remote. I'm fan na sorry so. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon, but you didn't be afraid.
Good afternoon. ACP ni because of your Kropon Ebru station wa.
Hey, ACP, that's on catch it.
Eke wo ho de bia me ne mo na ebu adwuma no na me ba mfra me mo ache. Maba de na maba.
Ya waba no waba, ya mo akwa ba.
So every say na ye mabo adwuma, ye bo maba to ne adwuma pa mo ye de bo Ghana ma na okwa ma nyina ye kese nyame enshi mo. Kakra me pesa me kafa Ghana Premier League ne ho ne say say eke wa ma oni akoso a police gina ne du baby say na ye baba ye business bebre na juma ya wodi wo gina me say last year ne course na beto me sabri won ntimi amfa asem bia wan ka hwe ye won edi sa juma na enya won wa say aka 9 matches de e baba koso a ne nti team sini bi wo ha ye start league na wo yiri won ho ya so obenya position bi akoda na afi aka be 9 matches 8 matches no on start a business in kakra say league na yebo no sika papa bi here ni musinin ehwo no na wo so wo fa na wo de nya sika de boya won team no nti ade e koso wo league no mu de na wo nya ade foforo nti se mpanyefo be ma won ani akọ na wo a wo be ye no wo be kire na wo do ba famra kwanso na wo atwewaso a nkaifo na aka ni nyina be hwe na wo de agyae ekemi da mase
Kansu ya da se ACP anonso ne dia watimi ede aba eno no azuba se yekọ yekọ na azuba yekọ but I'm very sure my sister hey okay
me say we ni ya ntino
ya na yekọ
Suba my very sure my sister akosia
ewia na oye ya mama
okay akosia Deborah yes akosia Deborah erade dia fe ba ko dia kan fion sense erade man kwatentina onya kunupa na that's in Bob wo mo ate omnye fefe ntse nchina bo say midwife what ya so gia wo kama panti da madama bia say uye ya obeji uye ya woro na abwa eti akoka so this happy birthday ekobara super be you verse be okay you ready mate
ntino channel ato abe
o menya ready amenya
ntino ano so no ma ekwe ma minchia Jamila of Jamis Etri ewo edukrom Jamila of Jamis Etri ewo edukrom ma minchia no papa ewie monitor show no papa ewo edukrom Jamila yes inya kosia wankwa so chia papa enti ano so no ti abeko na me pechina ebeba nya beto aso no so ano no enti no kura bi asante hotel nka sanso na writer papa the fresh and so hotel nka